Hey Trendy Squad, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a part of the Trendy Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Welcome back, you guys. Oh my gosh, it is Valentine's Day, Valentine's season. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a few things to prepare for Valentine's Day. Whether you have somebody or you don't, or you're preparing to go on a date, or you're just going to be pampering yourself. So keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Guys, so now that I'm back home from European Wax Center and getting my nails done, and now it's time for us to glam up. So we're going to be doing a light glam, yet it's going to stand out and look beautiful. So first what I'm going to go ahead and do is prime my face with the Fenty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. So I am going to be using this primer on my face instead of the hydration one because they both work well. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub it in like cream. So let's just get my hair out of my face. Okay, so now the hair's out of the face and the primer is on, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fenty Pro Filt'r Hydration Longwear Foundation. My color is 370. So I basically just go ahead and use a beauty blender to be able to just apply it to my skin. Oh, I'm running out. So as you can see, I like this foundation. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Wow. Ooh, oh my gosh. I don't typically get red marks. So I've been using like this new skin. I've been trying to change up my skin routine and trying out different products, like different face washes and different creams. If you guys have like a go-to cream, please let a sister know in the comments below, because I'm trying to find something that works with texture. I do have, you know, pretty clear skin, so that's why it's kind of weird when I have little bumps on my face. But what I've noticed is that my skin is pretty textured, so I'm trying to kind of get to the bottom of handling more textured skin. So I will definitely bring you guys a video as soon as I figure that out, so I can help out you sisters and brothers out there that need a product that can really help with the texture. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Pro Filt'r concealer. And I just kind of go like that. And like that. So two things. So I have this type of beauty blender that has like more of a pointed edge, and then there's also this side of this beauty blender. You can use either one if you wanted to blend it out, but if you wanted to be more precise, I would suggest using this one. This one's by Morphe. The other one is by Tarte. They're pretty cheap. I mean, I actually got this in a unboxing, so it came with one of the things I bought from Tarte. So this one's for free, so I don't know how much that one costs, but this one by Morphe, I believe, was like between $6 to $8, so it wasn't too bad. So as a primer for my eyeshadow, I go ahead and I put the remaining amount of concealer right onto my lids, so that way it can hold onto the shadow when I go ahead and put it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face with Cocoa Naughty. This is my favorite color. You want to go ahead and you could do the 3 to do this, the 3 motion, and up into your forehead. Just cover that little pimple. Pimple, go bye-bye. See ya, bye. See ya. Don't want to know you, don't want to be ya. See ya. So this is the product that my eyebrow lady uses. So this is actually by European Wax Center. It's called Brow Fection. This is a dark and mocha ebony. And she suggested using like the light color in right here, and then the darker color closer to my tail. So since I sort of messed up my line here, my little shape. I'm going to go ahead and fix that a little bit. And I believe she uses like a brow gel on me too. Once you find somebody who could really slay your brows, don't leave them. Unless you teach yourself actually how to get it done, then hey, go ahead, you know. Then you could do it yourself after learning. All right, you guys, so now that my face is complete, bronzer, foundation, concealer, and my brows are already on, I'm gonna go ahead with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to be using, look at all of these beautiful colors. But for Valentine's Day, I'm going to be focusing on bomb ass girl, because you're going to look so bomb after this video, boo. You're going to look like, ooh, you're going to be ready for your date, boo. Or for your glam night with your girls, like whatever it is that you are doing on this Valentine's Day. You're going to look bomb. Everybody's going to be like, ooh, ooh. Girl, you look good. I'm gonna just go ahead and do a few different things before I go ahead and make that the primary color. So that's gonna be the color that's gonna stand out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Mugshot, girl. We're not doing one of those tonight. Don't get crazy, boo. Not today. This is not the date night for that. No, no, no. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here and bring it down. So I decided to use this brush in order to do that type of curve, so that way I could have a little bit more control versus going ahead and using one of the fluffy brushes. Okay, so now that we have that on, I'm gonna go ahead and use this little brush here. This is the M421 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and get Lollipop, this one right here. Yeah, you guys, I'm going back in with Mugshot and just bringing it up a little bit now that I have the rest of the color down there, just to give it a little bit more smoke and a little bit more definition there, so you could see the different layers and the different colors. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna go in with Lorac, my favorite liquid liner, and I'm gonna shake it up. And we're gonna do a beautiful wing. Bam. Okay, honey. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is intense. I'm feeling this look. I'm feeling it. It is pretty dramatic, but it stands out, and so do you, because you're amazing. No, so much, I walk like this, cause back it up. Hey, okay. I know I got the lyrics a little messed up, but I love my big, right? I love his big ego. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go in with Tarte Big Ego. I've never used this one before. Interesting. I've never used this. This is my first time using this. I wanna see if it looks any good. So you can be the judge of that one. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the Cosmania Lashes for Days, boo. I only have one left. While the lash glue is going ahead and drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlights. So I'm gonna be using the Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule Killawatt highlight by Fenty Beauty. Okay, so the color looks like this. I haven't used this in a while. So the one that I like the most is the really shiny one, but we are pretty dramatic, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do Ginger Binge, which is the one on this side that's a little less sparkly. So I'm just gonna use this fan brush and kind of just brush in here like that, and it gets a little pink, and then just do my highlight. Okay, I want a little bit of sparkle, so I'm gonna go in with Moscow Mule. I really like this one because it gives you like a blush look as well as being a highlight. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this really quick, and I think it's gonna be so cute. So I went ahead and I went to Morphe the other day and I got a lip pencil. So this lip pencil is called Hoova. I'm gonna go ahead and get that lip pencil out of here. So here's the lip pencil. This is the color. I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips. I think it broke. So what I'm gonna do, because I don't have my sharpener right now, I'm just gonna use the edges. I put a little bit here, so that way I can kind of give it a little bit of color. instead of just like lining the lips plain. So I'm gonna go in with Boxom's. This one is called Emma. I know, it looked bad at first, right? All right, and that's it. Your look is complete. Okay, so for the hair, I'm just gonna shake my hair down. I feel like it looks a lot better when it's just out and gorgeous, you know? Ta-da! You can also do something a little bit cuter if you didn't want to go ahead and just have your hair out completely. You can go ahead and grab a few bobby pins and you can pin your hair to the one side. So I used to love to do this style, so you can kind of just like twist the hair, bobby pin, and just pin it up like that. So because my hair is big, and thick, I don't like it when this part shows. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is it. The look is complete. So you can go ahead and leave your hair fully out, or you can go ahead and put it back on one side. So that way you're not hiding your beautiful curls. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day and that you really enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button to show me that you like this video and you want more like this. I'll see you guys in my next video, Trendy Squad. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.